IPO stands for Initial Public Offering. An IPO is when a company, whether it's a mom and pop little store that's getting bigger and bigger, or say a social network conceived in a Harvard dorm room that now has 500 million people who follow it, can get on the radar, attract capital, and basically grow up. Companies want to go public because they want to unlock the value in their enterprise. When you can get investors to pay to buy shares of your company, and then those shares are traded on a stock market like the NASDAQ or the New York Stock Exchange, it also gets you money. When you go public, investors are putting money into your enterprise. It allows you to raise money quickly. One of the downsides is when you are a public company, you are scrutinized by the government. You have to every quarter file your numbers, your balance sheet, to the Securities and Exchange Commission so that your investors and so that the markets can see exactly what you're doing. If you're a private company, you don't have that kind of scrutiny. You don't have investors selling their stakes in your company if you have one or two bad quarters. So that's one of the reasons why private companies like to stay private. Well, eventually, it's everyone, like you and me and your 401k. You have shares of companies. Those are companies that have gone public, and their shares have started trading on stock exchanges, and then you buy them in your mutual funds, or sometimes you buy them outright, say in an E-Trade account or something. Initially, at an initial public offering, it's the big names who get in. It's some of those original private investors. They usually get a good shot. Founders of the company get a good shot to buy more if they want. Facebook is the holy grail of IPOs. It would be probably the biggest tech company IPO in history. Facebook already has 500 different private investors, basically, and when you get to that level, that threshold, that's when the Securities and Exchange Commission says, okay, now you've got to open your books. Now you've got to file to become a public company. You're getting too big. The whole game is about when will Facebook go public? How much will the company be worth? And what will the share price be? What does it say about how this company can make money and can grow going forward?